In this video, I will show you how to edit the information that Google has on you. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So if you're looking to maintain control over your data, I'm going to quickly show you how you can edit the information that Google has on you, and of course, make it more personal or simply delete it if that's something that you want to do. So the first thing we have to do is to open up Google, and we're going to head to myaccount.google.com. Once you're here, go ahead and select personal information. You're going to find that right here on the left. And now here is where you're going to find all your personal information and every single thing that Google has about you. So for example, your name, your date of birth, your gender, your Gmail accounts. If you have different ones, you're going to find that as well, and your phone number. So to edit any information, you simply have to select it, and then you have the option to edit it or change it. Remember that any changes that you make are going to be reflected across your Google account. So that means everything that you have on Google Calendar, on YouTube, on Forms. So just be very careful about the things that you want to edit. And this can also change all the messages or searches that people are making about you, let's say on YouTube. So just keep that in mind. After you make your changes, simply click on save. And now this information will be saved inside your Google platform. If you want to change your address in case you have it registered because you are a business, you can do that here as well. But remember, again, this is going to change every single thing that you have inside your Google account or your Google platforms. And that's it. If you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.